generally, AI content generation is so 2024, early 2025. And just because it's been trending all this while doesn't mean it's always good. So there are some considerations. What we are talking about today is something that stems from AI generated content, the risk of homogenization. When everyone uses the same AI tools, sameness creeps in. You'll have blurred identities, copycat positioning, and a sea of generic messaging. So ask yourself, is your brand getting snowed under? Maybe. But here's the good news, standing out is possible. And we have recommendations to show you how you can use AI as an amplifier and not just something that standardizes your messages and makes you sound like every other partner in the ecosystem. 4 things that you can start applying to your AI marketing and content plan to stay unique. Number one, lock in that unmistakable brand voice. At Maven Collective, we develop unique brand messaging for each of our clients, and we feed that voice into AI tools so that they don't sound like generic templates. You could also be using AI to really understand your audience. What do they care about? Where are they clicking? What are they ignoring? All of these insights will create relevance and then help you create relevant content for your target audience. And always remember to personalize. And AI is a pretty good tool to help you get started in that direction. Segment your messaging so it feels tailored and not standardized. You cannot be talking to your enterprise customers the way you talk to your SMB customers. So you need to be able to understand where their priorities are, and you can feed this information into your AI tool to be able to come up with some really targeted messaging. And finally, don't forget to inject your expertise. AI can draft, but your perspective is what makes it credible and distinct. So the bottom line here for everyone here today is that AI should scale your uniqueness and not erase it.